How to set up a formula column in order to change currencies in Monday.com. So, for example, if we are working in Monday.com and we need to change currencies, or the board that we are working on involves currencies, so we need a specific formula for that rather than just changing currencies every time through a calculator because it's very time consuming. So Monday.com does a very beautiful job right here that saves ample amount of our time, literally ample amount, because we don't have to put up calculator each and every time or just use Google currency exchanger every time. You can just write the formula and put the amount and we are done with that. So for example, if I'm working on this board that is mobile components, and we order components of mobile from different part of the world. So like for example, we order chip, GPU, sensors, IC. Now if we come here, this is the amount of this chip GPU, and for example, if it's $100, then uh, we'll convert it into US dollars. So this is US dollar amount. I'm sorry, I forgot to write it. So let me just write it, amount in USD. So here you go. Because the international transactions happen in USD everywhere in the international market. So for example, if we have ordered some chip GPU worth 100 GBP, because we are a company based in England and we need to pay in our own local currency. So what if we need to order 100 chip GPUs, and the cost of that is around 100 GB pounds. So we'll need to pay around 125 US dollar for that. So we have converted and changed the currencies right here through a formula. Now, for example, if we do this, then the amount will be different. If we give about around 100 NIS, then the amount in US dollar will be 28. So it's as easy as it is. But how I've done it, I'm going to show you. You need to make one table, one column for amount and then currency, and then here you need to add a formula. Let me just open it. Wait a second, let me just show you the formula. Here you go. So this is the formula that we need to type. If currency is GBP, then the amount will be multiplied by 1.25. If currency is NIS, the amount will be 0.28. So this is actually 1.25 and 0.28 is the exchange rate for US dollar and GBP, and US dollar and NIS. So let's say in the future, if the exchange rate changes, then I have to change these as well. Or if I have integrated the formula through AI Assistant, then it's going to change automatically. I've used the help of AI Assistant, which is something very amazing that you write your query right here and AI Assistant will get you a formula. Now, this is the beauty of Monday.com. I literally love this part of Monday.com, that they give an AI assistant for the formulas, which is not present in any spreadsheet application software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets is not there. So this is a competitive advantage, I can say that. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.